What we had done when we acquired the company from the beginning was the first thing we did was we went to the message boards and the forums and went all the way back to early 2000s and looked at anything in there that had any issues and people talking about any problems they had. And we wrote all that down on spreadsheets, and then we went through and assessed line by line each one of those issues. And we made a challenge to ourselves to change that and fix those problems or those issues and provide a better quality product, better customer service, and just an overall better experience for the customer. And so that's what we did. It took us a little bit of time to go through that process, but by 2022, we were already all the way through with eliminating the old, cheaper style economy Heims, which people complained about that they squeak. Those we replaced with Teflon lined Heims that are chromoly, so they're super strong. That solved that issue, and they do not squeak, cannot squeak. One of the things we did find out about the squeaking issue was people were spraying WD-40 on the Heims, and which is causing them to wear out prematurely. We recommended a dry silicone spray. We also moved out of the Heim style ball joint to a Teflon lined ball joint, and in our Elite Series 1.0 arms, we added in a conventional style sealed ball joint that's an automotive style ball joint. We updated our designs, we updated our processes with powder coating, we updated our process with our fixtures, built new fixtures, everything we did changed. And then in 2024, we came out and released the Elite 2.0 series, which is a direct result of our Bentech Dragon machine that we bought. We redesigned every arm we build and put it out to our new Elite series. We discontinued the Legacy series, which is the old style arm, and now only produce the new style Elite 2.0. It has upgraded automotive style ball joints with a 3/4 thread. It has Teflon lined Heims joints, which are chromoly for the uppers, and it has a fixed lower bushing with a Delrun bushing and a standard sleeve that's non-adjustable. That simplified our adjustment. That also added strength to our product. And in our redesign, we also added extra cross member to the lower arm, which builds a lot extra strength. As far as the company itself, as I said, employees have changed, facility has changed, location has changed. Every piece of equipment has been updated and renewed. There's not one piece of equipment that's left over from the old company. All the designs have changed and updated. All the fixtures have changed and updated. The only thing that we currently have right now from the old company is the name. Everything else has completely been revamped, revised, and updated, and that's where we're at now. I also want to speak into the customer service. One of the biggest things that we do is try to have the best customer service and respond to every question and work to solve problems, work to help customers get their stuff installed, and always be there. So we're always available from day into the evening, holidays and weekends. Somebody's always gonna be able to be there to answer questions. And that was one of the things that we saw too, was that it needed improved customer service. And so that's one of the things that we strive for and do.